Hello! In this video, I'll be discussing one of the biggest project and highest profile project that AVEM has undertaken. Welcome to AVEM Project Department. Here, we will share you the project undertaken by us, even with collaboration with our dealers, SI, and installer to make the project a success. If you have doubt on our brand, doubt on our product, or doubt on AVEM, this project may be a good reference for you to make up your mind. This time, we will discuss about a full PA system for a stadium, which is the Stadium Sarawak. This project is intended for the opening of SUKMA Malaysia, which is the SUKMA for the year 2016. This type of national level project will demand a lot from AVEM, demands a lot from the system integrator, and demands a lot on the equipment that be installed in this venue. Failure is not an option. The opening and closing ceremony of the SUKMA Malaysia will be broadcasted to the whole Malaysia, and the venue will be attended by at least 40,000 of audience, VIPs and VVIPs from Sport Ministry, and even the Chief Minister of Sarawak. With such high stake involved, AVEM and our system integrator partners, KDM, took the project challenge and deliver the best we can to this stadium project. KDM and AVEM work closely with Audiocenter to ensure that we can deliver the best possible solution to this stadium. 1 year before the SUKMA event, Audiocenter's engineer, Mr. Roshan, from India, fly over to Kuching to have a site visit. Mr. Chia from AVEM and I myself also fly to Kuching to the stadium to have a site visit so we can get a clearer picture on the venue. We visit the stadium during the day and the night to get the measurement data on the dimension and identify the possible place that we can hang the system. With the data that we have gathered and the requirement of the project to achieve 90 dB SPL in 99% of the audience area, then we start to work out the possible system that we can install into this venue. We identify the model that's suitable, and we also identify the quantity that we need to fulfill the requirement. However, there are some challenges that we need to address. First, the stadium was built with simple PA system in their mind. So there's no proper rigging for the sound system that we are going to propose. This also eliminates the location that we think is the best location to mount the speakers. Second, we also want the system to be a maintenance-friendly system. This stadium is very huge, so using crane to do maintenance or install or dismantle system is a big no-no because this heavy machinery will destroy the field and destroy the running tracks. Third, this stadium is located very near to Sarawak River, very near to tropical rainforest, and just 30 kilometers away from the sea. This location has high air humidity, temperate weather, and frequent rainfall. Therefore, this kind of weather will easily damage the speakers, even though it is covered by the roof. Fourth, the cluster of the system across the field is about 650 meters away. If you are going to pull a signal cable or speaker cable over this kind of length, there is a significant signal loss or power loss. The first and second challenges, we solve it by identifying a spot just below the catwalk. We identify the spot that we can achieve the best coverage among the seating area. And this process is made easy by using a e-simulation software. We can have different kind of mounting and positioning to determine the best possible installation. For the third challenge, Audiocenter as a manufacturer specially treated the wooden cabinet, the cone, and the tweeter with some kind of humidity resistant to ensure that all this humid air, the moisture is being protected from damaging the cone, the wood, and the tweeter. As for the fourth challenge, we decided to move half of the power amplifier and a DSP processing to opposite the field. So we allocate one room just to store that. We connect that system from the main system using a fiber optic system. So we convert the ordinary audio signals to a fiber, and within the fiber, which actually is almost lossless within 1 kilometer, we transfer the signal to that side of the field, and from there we convert back to audio signals and through all this DSP and power amp and to the speakers. The results of the project: 96 units of Audiocenter VHLA-12+MKII line array system is being installed throughout the stadium. These 96 cabinets are put into 16 clusters, 6 clusters on the main stand, another 6 clusters on the opposite main stand, and then 4 clusters is aiming at the side seating. To power this Biamp line array speaker system, we are using total of 16 units of DA-2.2 power amplifier to power up the high frequency or tweeter of the VHLA-12+MKII. And then we are using 16 units of DA-12.2 to power the woofer or the low frequencies of this line array system. Each cluster of the array is being equipped with one digital speaker management, which is the Proel PC-260. We are also using a master DSP, which is the Biamp Nexia, to master control all the PC-260. On the wireless mic microphone, we propose our top of the line, the Relacart HR31S. This is a true diversity wireless microphone system with 2 antennas simultaneously receiving signal from the transmitter. In large-scale project, we take no risk in wireless system. Therefore, we add an antenna divider R14D and 2 shark fin antenna system, which is the R22AU. For mixers, we are using our best-selling model, which is the Behringer X32. This model is our top seller and loved by many audio engineers, and therefore making it the best console to do the mixing job for this particular venue. There is also a monitoring system just for the VVIP. 2 units of the PF-12MKII speaker is being put on the VIP area, and these 2 speakers is powered by a PRO-7.0 power amplifier. This project is truly a great experience for AVEM, Audiocenter, and even our System Integrator partners, KDM. I was there during the opening ceremony for SUKMA. I did record some good videos on that day, so if you love to check it out, I will put the link above here or in the description below. If you love more technical explanation regarding this project, we have an article right up in our website. I will share the link for you. You can click and have a read on yourself. I also would like to thank our ex-staff, Mr. Damien, as he is a person that working hard in this project, coordinating all the parties between HQ, Audiocenter, System Integrator, and even the people from the stadium. I hope that you get some of the ideas of this stadium project. If you have doubt on our product, doubt on our brand, or doubt on our capability, I hope that this project will give you some of a confidence toward us. That is all for today. I will see you again in the next video, and bye bye.